I get this question all the time. Devin, how many videos should I publish before I decide if a new faceless channel has real potential? My rule is simple. Don't judge it before 20 videos, and don't make a real keeper pivotless channel until around 30. But that only works if those 30 videos are in one lane, not 30 random uploads on unrelated topics. Here's the framework. Videos 1 through 10 are your learning block. You're still figuring out topic selection, titles, thumbnails, pacing, and whether the hook actually matches the promise of the packaging. Videos 11 through 20 are your pattern block. Now you're looking for repeat signals. Which topic clusters pull more impressions? Which title angles get more clicks? Which scripts keep people watching longer? Videos 21 through 30 are your verdict block. By then, you should see one of three things: a repeatable winner, a packaging problem, or a niche problem. My decision rule is this: continue if 2 or 3 videos clearly outperform your baseline in the same topic angle. Fix packaging if videos get shown, but people don't stay. Reconsider the niche if, after 30 consistent uploads, nothing separates and no pattern is forming. If you use Satura as your workflow layer, track each video by topic, title angle, thumbnail style, and hook so those patterns are obvious. Short version, 30 videos gives you signal. 5 videos gives you emotion.